It's ClemenGold season. Okay, let's get serious. Guess what? It's ClemenGold season, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make yummy ClemenGold sago pudding. Not just any sago pudding, but a baked sago pudding. So the first thing that when baking, always preheat your oven. So I'm going to get mine to 160 degrees, and then I'm going to start making the sago pudding. So I've got my sago that's soaked over here, and then I've got milk. I'm going to pour into the pot. You want to heat up your milk with a cinnamon stick and let that come up to a boil. So while my milk is heating up, I'm going to separate my eggs. All I need is 2 egg yolks. And then to this, I add about 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then I'm going to take my ClemenGold and get the beautiful zest in there. Whisk that together. And then put that aside. I'm going to add my sago, which I pre-soaked for about an hour and then drained again. So that goes in. Just going to cook this until it's nice and thickened. Okay, as you can see, it's thickened and looking yummy and delicious. Putting that to the side. Now the egg whites from earlier, I'm going to beat that till nice and fluffy and a stiff peak. Okay, egg whites are nice and stiff. So now what you want to do is, because you don't want your eggs to curdle, you're going to add the hot sago in stages. So what I'm going to do is do a big tablespoon first and then whisk that through. Okay, 2. And just whisk. This is called tempering the eggs. Fancy schmancy. And then I'm going to gently fold in our egg whites. That's nice and incorporated now. So I grab my baking dish and then decant my just sago pudding mixture into there. Now it's time to bake it. So what I'm going to do is take another bigger baking dish and then place my sago pudding in there and then get a kettle of warm water. It doesn't have to be boiling. And I'm going to pour it into the bigger dish just around the sides. This is when they say you're baking it in a double boiler. We do not want to waste any of this gorgeous fruit. So what I'm going to do is make a bit of a stewed ClemenGold syrupy yumminess to go on top of our sago pudding. Halfway through, I just love to turn the ClemenGold. You can get nice and sticky and syrupy on all sides. I think the sago pudding is ready. Let's take it out. Ooh. Now we are talking. Look at this. Beautiful syrupiness. I think I deserve a spoonful. Warm bowl of goodness. Yummy.